Because I come from Lucknow. Not that I come from, I've been going to Lucknow. He says beautifully, in his beautiful shari, अरे तकदीर है मगर किस्मत नहीं खुलती. तकदीर है मगर किस्मत नहीं खुलती. ताजमहल बनाना चाहता हूं मगर मुमताज नहीं मिलती. So most of you are understanding. So I don't translate. Then afterwards he meets Mumtaz. Change aita? Change agla same samsara. He says takdeer hai magar kismat nahi kulti. Mumtaz mil gayi hai magar shaadi nahi karti. Mode marta ila anta. Again same samsara. Marta same samsara. Samsara change agta ila. Yakante drishti srishti vada. Then afterwards Mumtaz marries him. Change aita? Illa. He says again takdeer hai magar kismat nahi khulti. महल बनाना चाहता हूं मगर मुमताज नहीं मरती. ये हालत हो गया हमारा थिंग. राइट सी सेम बदलाव हुआ, रूपांतर हुआ, चेंज हुआ, मगर क्या हुआ गया? आपका नजरिया खराब है, आपका दृष्टि खराब है. अल्लाह चेंज आए तो गया, यही नहीं तो नथिंग हैपेंस. But if you have a srishti to which you can have a drishti, then Adi Shankaracharya says, Yoga ratova, bhoga ratova, sanga ratova, sanga vihinaha, yasya chittam brahmani ramate, nandati, nandati, nandati eva. Yagana paristiti irli. Whatever be the paristiti, but your drishti is going to be beautiful, sir. Or else, any amount of change will not bring about a change. जब मेरा बेटा रोता है दिल में दर्द होता है, पड़ोसी का बेटा रोता है सिर में दर्द होता है. जब मेरी पत्नी रोती है सिर में दर्द होता है, पड़ोसी का पत्नी रोती है दिल में दर्द होता है. अरे माया का खेल देखो, रोना एक है, आपका व्याख्या अलग हो गया, आपका दृष्टि अलग हो गया. Please understand, now you are all understanding right now. Inside in you, Agni has been born now. So therefore, please understand, Drishti, Veda says, Drishti, Srishti Vada, mistake ho do. There is a Srishti, usko dekho aap. यथार्थ को यथार्थ रूप से अनुभव कर दीजिए, यही अग्नि है. व्यक्तिगत रूप से अनुभव नहीं कर दिए. Therefore, Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita, the greatest Agni is this sloka, sir. If you understand this sloka, you can walk out of this hall. That's why Krishna says, Swalpamapi asya dharmasya trayate mahato bayat. Lord Krishna says, you don't have to read everything. Little if you understand the right things you understand, you'll be protected from the greatest of fears. Lord Krishna says, Pashyan, Sprishyan, Jigran, Ashnan, Unishan, Nimishan napi, Indriyani, Indriyarteshu vartante, magar aham kinchit na karomi, iti tattvavit manyete. Please listen carefully. This is the Agni that we have to bring in, which destroys the thing there. He says, seeing, Pashyan, seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, walking. There is sensations, no? Just purely experience it. Pashyan, Sprishyan, Jigran, Ashnan, Unishan, Nimishan napi, Indriyani, Indriyarteshu vartante. Let the Indriyas go. But the problem with us, you don't experience an experience, but the ego, the experiencer, comes and pollutes the experience. Aham karomi. I am doing. And देखो अनुभव कर्ता आकर अनुभव को ऊपर प्रदूषित करके अनुभव कर्ता का प्रारूप ही अनुभव होता है, यथार्थ का अनुभव नहीं हो रहा है. अर्थ है तेला? We don't experience an experience. The experiencer pollutes the experience, and you experience an experience according to the experiencer, sir. You are listening to me? Right? Yeah, this is an experience. But if the experiencer, you, comes, hey, lecture should not be like this. Right? And you have a map how a lecture should be. And therefore, by that map of how a lecture should be, you don't experience the experience of my teaching, because the experience in you is butchering what you want. Saying, I like this, I don't like this, it should be like this, it should not be like this, it must be like that. The experiencer pollutes the experience, and therefore you don't experience an experience, because the demands of an experiencer dictates what it wants, and in the process miss the poetry of what is. Only then that Agni called Anubhava Adbhuti should happen. Therefore, Krishna says, Pashyan, Sprishan, Jigran, Ashnan, Unishan, Aham karomi iti. Drop that aham. And when you drop the aham, you just experience her, then everything is shuddha on the anubhavane. Isn't it? Sir, this is the real Agni. If you don't experience an experience in its purity, then please understand, and you only want an experience, then you miss the experience. अरे क्यों डरे जिंदगी में क्या होगा? हमारा जीवन सर्वदा डर है ना? You understand, no? Or shall I speak in Malayalam? Okay. क्यों डरे तो जिंदगी क्या होगा? हम लोग डरता है, क्या होगा, क्या होगा? अरे क्यों डरे जिंदगी में क्या होगा? हर वक्त क्यों सोचे तो बुरा होगा? Everyone wait, every moment wait, बुरा होगा. क्यों डरे जिंदगी में क्या होगा? हर वक्त क्यों सोचे तो बुरा होगा? बढ़ते रहो मंजिलों की ओर, कुछ ना मिला तो क्या होगा? तजुर्बा तो नया होगा. तजुर्बा तो नया होगा. अरे आपका अनुभव will be thing, sir. तजुर्बा means अनुभव होगा. एवरी टाइम ऐसे ही अनुभव चाहिए, ऐसे ही चाहिए. हमारा चाह हमें अटक गया. We are caught in the very desiring mode. We are not in the experiencing mode. We are always desiring. The Veda says, So kamayata bohusyam prajayeti. The Lord created, says the Veda. The bohusyam prajayeti. He created the whole world. Tat srishtva tadevanupravishat. It's called Anupravesha Shruti. Having created the world, he says, God entered into the world as what? As pure isness, as pure amness. Are we not experiencing the isness of what is, sir? We are not. Since you're not experiencing, why? Because why you're not experiencing the isness of what is? Because the mind is impure. Therefore, in Vedanta, there's 5 Shuddhis. The speaker spoke about 5 Shariras. Annamaya, Pranamaya, Manomaya, Vijnanamaya, Anandamaya. There is 5 Shuddhis. Vichara Shuddhi, Bhava Shuddhi, Sharira Shuddhi, Vak Shuddhi, and Atma Shuddhi. This is the tapas. Here it is the tapas. Satapo tapyata satapas taptva tapo brahmeti vijanat. The Veda says, by tapas you can understand God is this. Tapasa brahma vijignyasasva. Tapo brahmeti. What is tapas? These 5 Shuddhis, sir. First is Vichara Shuddhi. Vichara Shuddhi ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಚಾರ ಅದು ಶುದ್ಧಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರಕ್ಷಾಳನೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು. Our thoughts should be cleansed. Are you getting, sir? We don't cleanse our thoughts. Our thoughts are always worrying mode. कबीर says, चलती चक्की देखी के दिया कबीरा रोई, 2 पाटन के बीच में साबत बचा न कोई. Kabir says, when I look into your mind, I feel like crying, he says, because your mind pata like a grinding machine. Chalti chakki dekhi ke. You're sitting down here, hey, what is going to be the dinner? Wing, your mind goes to dinner. When you eat the dinner, then you think, what did Swamiji say? It'll come here now. When you are here, it goes to the dinner. When you dinner, it comes to here. So therefore, itna kharab ho gaya aapka man. And then you start worrying. You start worrying. And when you start worrying, you are not experiencing what is, no? Cheppandi babu. Experiencing anta adu aanandam undi akkada. In that experiencing is Anandam. But you don't experience it because you are worrying. And then it will be like this beautiful Hindi thing which says, वो छम छम करती आई और छम छम करती चली गई, मैं सिंदूर लेकर खड़ा रहा वो राखी बांध कर चली गई. ये हालत हो गया. वो छम छम करती आई. We are only waiting for something to happen, sir. We are not meeting an experience. We are waiting. So therefore, sir, be here when this worrying mind, this chanchalam mind, that's why all Vedic mantras, Om Shanti, 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 Moolasara. There's a lot of deep meaning is there. For the time being, this much is enough. But whatever little you go deep. Are you going deep or not? You should be motivated, prerana and shiksha you should learn, alright? And you should go deep. Yes? Because please understand, many people are only superficial in life. Are you getting this? Very super. तेरा हर कयाल है सरसरी, तेरा हर कमाल है ज़्याहरी. Means तेरा हर कयाल है सरसरी means your every thought is superficial. तेरा हर कमाल है ज़्याहरी. ज़्याहरी means दिखावा, दिखावा. See WWF people fighting, all dikava, everything is set behind. All you see in the politics there, Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, pata they're fighting. But dinner party, they're all together. Sab dikava hai. Tera har kayal hai sarsari, tera har kamal hai zyahari. Koi dil ki baat karu to kya? Tere dil mein aag to hai nahi. What can I talk something to you? In your heart there is no fire. तेरे दिल में आग तो नहीं. Without fire you listen. And like this you get married also. Then you go to honeymoon also. Then child comes out. Then you tell me, Swamiji, 110 books you have written. Have you written 111th book how to bring up children? Because my child is always I said manufacturer's defect. What I can do? Arey Baba, if you're a Vedanta, as Vivekananda says, roar. I find a lot of people, spiritual people, dammi nahi. Awaaz mein dam nahi, sharir mein dam nahi, like a brinjal. I am very happy. Mashana vairagya do. Shanti, Shanti. So I'm not condemning. Lord Krishna, this is the Agni. This is the Agni. Lord Krishna tells Arjuna, Prasanna chetasa yashuhu buddhihi paryavatishthiti. Be cheerful and fight. Be cheerful and fight, he says. That is the fire. And have you seen people who teach philosophy? Sad. Mashana vairagya. Arey Baba, no. Vivekananda is one person who said, roar like a lion. You can play football, he says. And go to God rather than you go to temples with this seriousness. That is the fire you need to have. Are you getting, sir? So let's have fire. And if you have that type of fire, that is the Agni. Hindu monks wear fire colored dress. You know what's the meaning of fire colored dress? Please see, in the Veda, there is Agni. Right? Havan is there. In Agni, what I said is called Urdhvagami. Urdhvagami is going upward. Our consciousness should go up. Are you going up? You should go up, sir. You should be inspired. So, 3 gunas of Agni in the Veda. Urdhvagami is going up. Secondly, you see in Agni, it sprinkles and scatters. You and I, our ego should sprinkle. The micro should merge with the macro Agni. This micro Agni should merge with the macro Agni. Alright, second quality of Agni. Third quality is anything you put in the Havan, it destroys. Alright, please understand, our ignorance should get destroyed. Why Hindu monks wear fire color dress? Your commitment should be Urdhvagami. Your micro should merge in the macro. And it stands for detachment because fire Agni is detached. You put a diamond to Agni, it will burn. You put garbage, it burns. In life, you have to be detached. When you are detached, you are objective. When you are objective, the subjectivity is destroyed. And it is the subjectivity which is giving you drishti, srishtivada. So drop this, sir. So Agni, which stands for detachment. It is urdhvagami, it burns. It gives unconditional light to everybody. Can your love also be unconditional, sir? So therefore, that vichara shuddhi should, there's no time, so I'll end up. It should leave you to bhava shuddhi. Bhava shuddhi andre, that when this is cleansed, the another Agni is in your feelings. That's why emotion means energy in motion. There's feelings, there must be feelings, which Kabir, etc., which Bhakti Yoga, you talk about feelings. Patram pushpam palam toyam yo bhaktya prayachati. So have feelings, sir. In the feeling there is Agni. Yes or no? Right? But somebody came to me recently, Swamiji, I fell in love. What to do? I told him, who told you to fall in love, Baba? Rise in love. He said, I fall in love.